Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 84, Belongs. So here is another lateral thinking puzzle for you, and I hope you enjoy this one as much as you've enjoyed the others. Thank you so much for the continued positive feedback. Here we go. What belongs to you, but many other people use it much more often than you do? A clue will be given on the next slide. So have a little think about it. Just persist with it because I will give you a clue in 2 minutes time, I promise. So it'll be so satisfying if you get this out. So I'll give you 2 minutes to think about it and then I'll give you the clue. Okay, as promised, here is the clue. I wonder how you went. If you're having a little bit of trouble, this clue will definitely help you. Here we go. So the puzzle is, what belongs to you, but many other people use it much more than you do? And the clue is, you received it at birth. And the answer is on the next slide. So good luck with this. I think the clue will help you. And I'll give you the answer in exactly 1 minute's time. Okay, as promised, here is the answer coming up now. I wonder if you got it. Let's see. What belongs to you, but many other people use it much more often than you do? And the answer is your name. Pretty obvious, isn't it, when you get the answer? But I wonder if you got that. Well done if you did. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and here it comes.